Welcome back to the channel, folks. And what we have in front of us here is a really, really nice setup on the US dollar. So we have US GDP data today. My guess is that this is going to go higher because of how the flow looks. So just having a look at this downtrend move here, you can see a downtrend because it's made up of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. What you may fail to notice is that that's organized in threes. So that's organized in threes. And each of these levels here to consolidation zones ultimately. So we can see 1, 2, 3. That's the market cycle down. Now, what can you see on the way up? It's more likely to be 3 than not 3. This is really, really stepping up itself here. Each section's made of 3 pushes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Not always so neat sometimes. And each of these small swings up is made of 3. 1, 2, 3. Consolidate. So we're at a 2 here. I expect a 3 to play out. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe to this video. And I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching.